Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show how to reset the Toyota Camry maintenance light. Start by turning the ignition to on without starting the engine, then press and hold the trip meter reset button until the maintenance light blinks and counts down. Release the button and turn the ignition off, then back on to verify the indicator is cleared. If the light remains, repeat the process or consult the owner manual for error codes. I'll walk you through the simple steps so you can reset the light confidently and avoid unnecessary service visits. Locate the trip meter reset button on the dash, then press and hold it for about 10 seconds until you see a countdown or the maintenance message blink. Release the button, cycle the ignition, and check that the maintenance required notice has cleared from the display. Try the steps again if needed. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like the video to support the channel. Quick recommendation. The Simple Path to Wealth is a book that can change how you think about money, and it makes a great read during a garage afternoon while you work on your car. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a copy easily, and now let's get back to the video. If the indicator stubbornly sticks, here are quick troubleshooting tips to help. Always ensure the vehicle is in park with the parking brake set before attempting the reset for safety. If the light remains after one attempt, repeat the reset sequence up to 2 more times. Should the maintenance light return alongside other warning icons or unusual behavior, consult a professional technician for diagnostics and repairs to avoid larger issues later.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.